Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Skullcandy Grind with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon. Now go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically. And we should see it on the list. But if you can't see it, just remove the headphones from the charging case and then press and hold the right earbud for at least 3 seconds. But we can see it, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!